Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. Welcome to my channel everybody. So this is January 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 10. Yes, so you will be watching this and I will have had my knee surgery. I'm going to be recovering, but today I'm going to be working on videos. I have 5 videos prepped. They're going to be simple ones. So the next 5 videos, 10 through 15, are going to be simple videos. I'm going to be using some ephemera that I picked up at where did I pick that up at? I think it was Hobby Lobby. I'm not 100% positive at the moment, but I'm pretty sure that's where I picked it up at. So just so you know that, and I'm going to be combining it with this kit because I want to show you how to mix this kit up, because this is really the lovey-dovey heart Valentine's Day. This is going to show you how to use what you have, the papers, but we're not going to be doing the hearts. I'm going to be using some roses, some flowers, and and a couple of other ephemera things. So let me show you. So let's take a look at the kit. First of all, you could have made 3 of this card, 3 of this card, and 3 of this card, and you would have gotten 9 envelopes. We're going to be using some of the envelope flap, and some of this card base, and some of this card base in the next 5 videos. This QR code would lead you to a video to show you how to put this kit together as it was designed. This over here is a QR code to show you how to go to purchase the add-on kit, which is called, maybe, if they're stuck together, Spring is in the Air dies. It's a set of 5 dies. These 2 have images that will coordinate with them, but those are yet to be revealed in the next kit or 2, because this kit, these ones coordinate with January, February, and March's Paper Pumpkin kit. Now the coordinating colors are Flirty Flamingo, Petal Pink, Real Red, and Champagne Foil, and we're going to set this aside in a second. So the stamps that came with this are You Have My Heart, You Celebrate Love, You're My Favorite Love in this. I am going to be cutting Celebrate Love here in the next video. Yes, I am. So let me show you what I have. So I have this rose ephemera piece, and that is from this ephemera pack. Now I took it out and I went all through it. You'll see it over here. This is the rose that I'm using. I'm going to be showing you some different pieces that I'm using in the next 5 videos. So I picked this up. It was 40% off. You can't beat it. So if you don't have that, guys, I don't buy a whole lot of floral stamps because I have floral stamps. Let me show you this one here. This is one of my very favorite cottage rose. If they ever come out with a really nice rose image, I would use it. I mean, I would probably buy it, but it's got to be like, this is my very favorite. There's also a paper pumpkin that has a rose similar to this. So you could stamp this. It has a die. It's a nice size. This would give you the same effect. I would, you know, stamp and die cut this just to make it a little bigger. So you can get the same effect with this. You're going to see this, the size of it. Right? I would add this sprig down here. You could also add this stamped and die cut, add it to make it a little bit bigger, and you're going to get, if you add this and this, you're going to get almost the same size, and you could color it in. Doing this, it saves me time and I don't have to color it. So then we're going to be using this Greenery embossing folder. Yes, it's retired, guys. I don't have a lot of embossing folders, but what I do have, I like and I use, and I have embossed an envelope flap that I cut down to 1 3/4 by 5 1/8, and I'm happy with that. So I'm going to stick this back in here. That little flap of the envelope, it really does cut down to 5 1/8 by 1 3/4 beautifully. My card base, now this is a pre-made card base. Thank you, Lori, who sent me some. I still have a few. Really nice size. But this is 5 1/2 by 8 scored at 4. So it's just shy 1/4 of an inch from you know, it's 4 here. It's not 4 1/4. And then I have this Stampin' Up! Floral, which has roses and stuff on it. And I have yet to use it. And so we're going to give it a whirl today. And I'm getting scratch paper. And you can kind of see the detail. The roses here and so forth. And I think, nope, this is the way. So we are going to ink this up in Real Red. And I got to see if this is the front of my card, right? This is the front of my card. I want it to open this way. I want this crease to be on the right-hand side. I just had to think about it for a minute. And the Real Red, come on, Real Red. I've got prep work done here. We want the Real Red, and we have every color but the Real Red pad. Come on. I see pretty in pink. I see everything but the Real Red ink pad. Oh, there it is. It's right in front of me. If it was a snake, I would have been bit. Okay, Real Red. This is what I want to go for. The case is kind of warped, but we're going to go for it. I got it taped down. Might have to pull it up. Yeah, we're pulling that up. That is not going to sit nicely on there. All right. Now, there we go. Foam pad, go tap, tap, tap. Cloth pad, you can do the stamp and twist. If I don't like this, I can just grab another card base. Okay. Oops. I can see where there's some like lines from the ink pad, so that's why I'm continuing going over it. I'm good. I have to look. I just can't. We have to look at this because maybe I'll change my mind. Oh my giddy heart. That's gorgeous. See, I'm going to give you a quick look-see. We're going to put this here and put that on front of that. That is bloomin' beautiful. They should have called it blooms. Okay, now that we know that that is going to be that pretty, we're going to continue. This is going to be a quickie. That is blooming beautiful. Like, ooh. We have to get it really nice and inked up everywhere. When I lift it up, I see these little lines that I don't want. Okay, we're going to go for it. So my crease is going to be on the left side. Oh my giddy heart. Look how pretty that is. I have yet to use it. You probably saw the sticker price. It was $1.75 at the thrift store. I don't remember if this is one of the ones that was even half off that. You cannot beat that. Oh, oh, yikes, that is gorgeous. Okay, so let's do the envelope flap as well. I wonder if we could get it. No, we're going to ink it up. I was like, can we think there's enough on there? But I don't care if there's enough on there or not. This would be a gorgeous bookmark. Yes. Maybe I'll do a bookmark next. Okay. I wasn't planning on that yet. And I got my fingers in it. I missed it. Okay. And I inked me up in the process. Hold on. I have an extra envelope because I messed up on a card. So we need to not do this on an envelope. So that is going to go in the house and get cleaned up. I know I have an extra envelope. Is this the right size? That's the right size. Okay, so we sadly, I don't think I can. I mean, that sure is gorgeous, isn't it? But I'm going to make a mess. So we'll do something else on the envelope. But this is going to take no time at all. Because look at this. This is going to go there, right? This is going to go here. Oh my goodness. And yes, what does this have to do with Paper Pumpkin? I have been asked this. Well, this little right here, this is part of Paper Pumpkin. Now, we could stamp. I hadn't gone this far, but right here, this love is from Paper Pumpkin. We could simply do this. Now, if I had a width, we could do a width. So let's take a look at what stamps I have out. More, friend, love you, for you, more. Nope. I'm not going to pull out anything else. If there's not a single width, nope. We're just going to do this love right there in real red. I'm not even going to bring the Stampin' Pierce mat in, but we are going to stamp love. That is a beautiful card. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's do the inside. Oh, that is just beautiful. And for the inside, I wasn't going to, but now I do. You have my heart, because this is, sorry. I wish I had, oh, you know what? Hold on. No. Okay. What else did I? Do you see this Blessings of Home? This is why I don't buy a lot of florals. This here, gorgeous. This image would be beautiful right here. Right? Except I would have had to sit here and color it. Look how pretty that would be right here. Right? That big floral image on top. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Just saying. I'm using this simply for time's sake and because I found it, and yes, I purposely went into the store looking for something to make an easy, quick video, and of course I take time. And I am going to stamp this. What a beautiful day for love for the inside. You can mix things, guys. Do not be afraid. Also, there's this one, Forever and Always. One of my favorite things is always, especially from if you're a Harry Potter fan, which one of my favorite quotes from the book is after all this time, always, because time has nothing on love, right? After all this time, always, 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 with my whole heart, forever and always. I mean, it's just beautiful. So let's do a test. This is going to go on the inside because this could be given to, and I just got, oh, thank goodness it didn't get off. What a beautiful day for love. I'm so glad we're friends. I could put that underneath it. This is from January 2021's Paper Pumpkin. No. But I'm so glad. Oh, this is from Country Bouquet. I love that we are, what a beautiful day for love. I'm glad that we are friends. I mean, sending love your way. You could do, oh, happy Valentine. What a beautiful day. Okay, we're going to add the Happy Valentine's Day. This is gorgeous. That is simply beautiful. And it's so simplest. It's just simple. And the envelope, which I haven't done much to. Oh, and I don't have like a little rose or anything. Don't want to stamp that. Do not want to do that. Okay. We're just going to stamp love on it. We're going to stamp sending love your way. Because now it's a Valentine's Day card. It was originally just going to be a blank card. Now it's not. We're just going to leave it like that. Like I said, these cards were not meant to be like overly complicated. And it's still not overly complicated. It's just simply gorgeous. Oh, come on. Don't do it. It's like you haven't used me since the other day. Now, tomorrow, I will be spending my day cleaning like a crazy person. I've already started. Pulled sheets out of the thing. I've got Hank's sheets in the washer. I have to get the sheets I pulled out to go on his bed. Not the ones I put in the washer, the new ones out of the drawer to go on his bed. Isn't that just something? And I already have dimensionals on this one. Can do rhinestones on this. We can add a few of those. I think we have some just something so simple as this. Look at that. That is a simply gorgeous card. Let's see what we have down here. No, oops, losing my supplies here. I just saw what I wanted, the little red embellishments. Of course, now are nowhere to be seen. There, we can add these if we want. I don't want those. I really wanted the red rhinestones. Here they are. These are what I want to pull out. Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 1. We're going to do 1 there. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. There we go. So there's our card. Simple. Sending love your way. Love. What a beautiful day for love. Happy Valentine's Day. Guys, I know it's simple, but you know, we're just using the envelope flap, the love from the kit. Happy Valentine's Day. That is from the Country Bouquet. I know I miss putting something on there, but that's okay. So I hope you guys like this one. It was meant to be quick and simple, and I'll be back in a few minutes, make another one, but you'll see it the next day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thank you for allowing me into your home to share my love of paper crafting, because I sure do love doing this. Please come back and see me again in my wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.